Welcome to another exciting class with Mr. Simplicity. Let's go straight to the lecture of today. We are continuing with the topic limit of a function. In today's class, we are going to look at some problem we can solve by factorization still, then problem on rationalization, and some other problem on long division. So let's start with the case that involves factorization. In this problem, we have a case that involves x cubed minus 1. And x cubed minus 1 is a perfect cube, and we have x cubed, so we can say that's difference of 2 cubes. And I want you to know that anytime you come across difference of 2 cubes, you can use this expansion. Okay, with this expansion, we can solve any problem that has to do with difference of 2 cubes. We have looked at problem with difference of 2 square before, and we can say a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. So these are two expansions that you need to know as a math student. As a math student, you must know these two expansions, difference of 2 cube and difference of 2 square. So if we apply it to what we have above, the x cube minus 1 will become x cube minus 1 cube. That means x and b will be replaced by 1. So if we're going to apply these two, we apply the difference of 2 cube to the numerator and difference of 2 square to the denominator. Once we do that, we'll have a way forward. So that will bring us to limit as x tends to 1. We have at the top x minus 1 bracket x squared plus x times 1 is x plus 1 square is 1 all over denominator. We are now having x minus 1 x plus 1. So this is gone. What we have left is limit as x tends to 1 x squared plus x plus 1 all over x plus 1. So you see, we can substitute now. If I make the substitution, we are going to have 1 square plus 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. All over 1 plus 1, 2. So we have 3 over 2 as the solution for this problem. So you see, it's that straightforward. Just take note of those points I marked out. If you know these two, then you'll be able to expand the numerator and the denominator, then cancel out, and you discover you arrive at a point where you can substitute. Okay, so these are two quadratic expressions at the numerator and at the denominator. Of course, if I'm going to substitute minus 1 at the denominator, I will end up getting 0. Minus 1 square is 1 times 3, 3. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will give me 0. So it's not a case we can substitute directly. So let's go ahead and factorize. In another video, I'm going to explain in detail how to factorize so that we don't stretch this expression. So the product of these two is minus 6. And two factors that will give me minus 1 to replace the middle term is minus 3 plus 2. So in that case, I'm going to have limit as x tends to minus 1, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2x minus 3. So the term that replaced it, minus 3 plus 2 rather. Minus 3 plus 2 will give me minus 1x. You see it? And minus 3 times plus 2 will give me minus the product of the 2. Like I said, in another video, I will explain in detail. So we go down, we have 3x squared. So the number that can replace this one is 3x plus 2x. So we have plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. Now if we factorize, we're going to have limit as x tends to minus 1. So here x is common. We have 2x minus 3 left. Here nothing is common, so 1 is the factor. We have 2x minus 3 left. Every time you factorize, you move from here to here, you always have the same expression in a bracket. Okay, the same thing at the denominator. 3x is common, and we have x plus 1, right? Yes, x plus 1 bracket 3x is common here, so we have 3x bracket x plus 1 close bracket. 2 is common here, plus 2 bracket x plus 1. So now 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 is a common factor. So I have limit as x tends to minus 1, 2x minus 3 out. What is remaining is x plus 1 all over, yeah, x plus 1 is common. So what is remaining is 3x plus 2. So of course, x plus 1 can go. You see that? So now that x plus 1 has cancelled out, what is remaining is limit as x tends to minus 1, 2x minus 3 all over 3x plus 2. Now if we substitute, we are going to have 2 bracket minus 1 minus 3 all over 3 bracket minus 1 plus 2. 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5 over 3 times minus 1 will give us 3. Minus 3 plus will give us minus 1. So our final answer is 5. Okay? So this situation that involves factorization of quadratic expression. If you have any question on this, you can leave it in the comment below. And for those of us that really want the video on how to factorize quadratic expression, I need you to give a comment in the comment section telling me I need to learn how to factorize, or drop a message that says you want the video for factorization of quadratic expression.